Hey, Math 8, this is your Quarter 4, Unit 9, Transformations, Dilation Notes. So a dilation is a change in size of the same shape. So if we look here at our example, we have triangle ABC, which is small, and then we made it bigger, but it's still the same shape. It's still the same triangle, just larger. So our scale factor is the amount of change, number to multiply by. So here we multiplied by a whole number, and that got us from this smaller triangle to a larger triangle. Or you can go the other way around. If you have a larger figure and you want to make it smaller, multiply by a fraction. So for dilation, it says step 1, multiply each coordinate of the vertices by the scale factor. Step 2, plot the new vertices and connect the points. So let's dilate triangle ABC by scale factor of 2. So our scale factor is 2, so we're just going to write times 2 in our scale factor space. And now we're going to look at our coordinate pair for point A. And we look at 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So our new coordinate pair is going to be 2, 6. We plot our point for our new A, and now let's look at B. And it's 1, 1. We multiply each of those by 2, and that gets us 2, 2. Plot our point. C is 3, 1. So that's going to be 6, 2 once you multiply it by 2. Plot our point and connect them. So that's how you do a scale factor of 2 from our smaller triangle to our larger triangle. You see with a whole number, we went from smaller to larger. So now let's dilate rectangle MNOP by scale factor of 1/2. So since a whole number made it larger, a fraction is going to make it smaller. So let's look at point M. And we see it's -4. Oh, let's write our scale factor in there. You can keep it as a fraction, you can keep it as 1/2, or you can put times 0.5 because 0.5 and 1/2 are the same. So we're going to look at -4. We multiply it by 1/2, and that gets us -2. And 6 times 1/2 is 3. So our new point is -2, 3. So let's go over here. We look at our x-axis. We go over -2 and up 3. And there's our new M. For N, -4 times 0.5 is going to be -2. And 2 times 0.5 is 1. So we go plot our new point, and that's -2, up 1. And there we go. O is 4, 2. So we multiply 4 times 0.5, that gets us 2. 2 times 0.5 gets us 1. So we go plot our new point at 2, 1. And then we look at P, and it's 4, 6, so that will change to 2, 3. We connect our points. And so you see that when we multiply by a scale factor of 1/2, that makes our figure smaller. And that is the end of these notes.